Hey folks, Machinery Pete here. It's July 1st, 2015. I'm out in Imperial, Nebraska today for an auction you maybe heard about. It's the South Fork Harvesters Custom Operator Auction. Absolute sale by my friends at Sullivan Auctioneers. So you can see the combines behind me. We've got, I think, 12 2014 models. A lot of late model stuff on the sale. It's going to be an interesting day.
On to the sprayers, the grain cleaners, into the gator, right lawnmower, and then right on into the grain carts, and then into the tractors. So this ring number one, once again, it's going to be the ring on the back side. I'm going to be headed over there momentarily. We're going to get right on the big stuff. We've got a big day ahead of us. Starting on tractors, and we're going to sell them. Buyer's choice on 18 and 19. We got some folks who want to put some loads together across the country. It's going to let them participate in the auction. Also, you folks who just want one tractor, it's going to let you participate. We're going to sell you buyer's choice on lot 18 and 19. We're going to switch our now selling sticks to buyer's choice. We absolutely, positively do not want any confusion. Just a second, I'll get it. If you're standing here in the crowd and you want lot number 19, and we start chanting the auction, if you're not bidding, you're making a mistake. Because it can go first. They're strictly numbered for identification purposes only. If you want lot number 19, bid. If you want lot number 18, be bidding. If you want to sweep the ring and take them both, naturally be bidding as well. They will not be thrown back in any combination. Buyer's choice is exactly what it means. A lot of you cow guys out here go to those bull sales across the country and they run into Angus bulls in the ring. And you're sent to the bleed. 210,000. I'm going to 10, 10, 12, 5. I'm going to 2, 12, 5. I'm going to 15,000. I'm going to 15,000. I'm going to 17,500. I'm live in the ring all the way. 220, 22,500, 225,000, 230,000, 235, 235. I'm going to 240,000. I'm going to 245. Down 50, 250,000. I'm going to 55, 500, 260,000. I'm going to 250, 500, 260, 255, and 60. Now, folks, I'm just going to get it out of the way. We got Machinery Pete standing right here in front of us. A good friend of ours right from the get-go. Known great for years. Go to his website. See how many of these are on there as sold. Look, this many. Zero. Zero. If you're here to want one of these tractors, you don't buy one of these, you know what your options are. We're not done yet. 255, 260,000, 265 with a brand new bidder. 265, 500, 265. I'm going to 265,000. I'm going to 265. Don't wait on them, boys. You saw what the grain carts did. It's 270,000. I'm going to 270,000. I'm going to 65, I'm going to 70,000. I'm going to 265. I'm going to 270,000. $270,000. 270, 270,000. I'm going to 265. I'm going to 270,000. We're not done yet. 265, 270,000. 270. Folks, everybody wants somebody else to set the market, then they're going to start charging out these next lot. You better get in, get going.
275.
I got 265. You get 267.5. Yeah. Jim, you get 26. Jimmy, get that's Terry. Now 270,000. 270,000. The bid increment is changed. I'm going to be 267.5. 270,000. 270,000. I'm going to be 270. I'm going to be 265. I'm going to be 267.5. 270,000. 267.5. 270. 270,000. I'm going to be 270. 267.5. I'm going to be 270,000. 270,000. 270,000. Yes or no? Do you want it? 270,000. I'm going to do 265, yes or no, to get 270 pounds. The hammer's high. I'm going to go 265, I'm David to get 270 pounds down to the border. Sold him 267.5, 267.5. He registered yesterday. 176 to buyer. 176 takes lot number 18. Lot number 18 is gone.
Good market.
We'll mark it right on there. Pull right on up. 230,000. I'm going to 220 down, get 30 down, 225 down. Let's go. 225. I'm going to now 30. 230. I'm going to 225. I'm going to 30 out, Bill. I'm going to 2 Terry, you're out. 225, 30,000. I'm going to get him in, Luke, Bill, Terry's guys out. 225, 30,000. I'm going to 225. I'm going to 10. I'm going to 30,000. I'm going to 225. I'm going to 30 down, now 5. Do better. I'm going to 235. Get 5. I'm going to 235. I'm going to 235,000. 235 down, 5. I'm going to get 235. And I have 235. I'm going to 235 down, to be 555 to get 235, and I have 235,000 to be 235. I'm going to 230. Raise your hand, ladies and gentlemen. 235,000. 235,000 to be 5. And this one play here. 235 and 235,000. 235,000 to be 5 and 205 to get 5. 235 and all done. Ladies and gentlemen, the hammer's high. 235,000. Sold it. 230,000. You bought it, Jim. 230,000.
4.
245 down to 505, 510, 245,000, 245 down to 245, but get 242.5 one time in about it, 242.5, 242.5 and all in all done, 242.5 and a half, 242,500 dollars about it. Now 245, that was close. That was between the O and the L. 245, 242, 540, you earned down, 245, 245, 240, give the same amount of time if you need it. 145,000, I'm going to go 242, 245, 245, he said he done, ladies and gentlemen, anybody else at 245,000? So it's 242.5, 242.5, you made the right quick second decision at the end of the auction on that lot there. 325 for 325. Takes lot number 23. Takes lot number 23. Down to the 25,000. 25 down to the UAD Benz Zach. Now 230 higher. 230 down to the last one we got of the day. 230,000. 230,000. Number 225 and 30,000. Number 225 and 50 30 down to the 230 and 230,000. Number 225 and 50 30 down to Zach high to get 230,000. 230 down to the 230 to get 225 and 50 30,000. Number 225 and 30 that gives 227.5 one time. Zach 227.5. Nothing finer. 227.5. 227.5 all in all that. Now 230 down to the brand to the better. 230,000. Now don't we weren't done yet. 227.5 bid. That's for 230,000. 230 down to 230,000. I'm going to 227.5. 230,000. I'm the last one of the day. 230 down to 227 and 5 and 10 and 30,000. I'm going to 227 and 5 and 30. Got it. Yes. Now 32.5. We're going to do 232.5. 232.5 and 32.5 and 232.5 and 232.5. I'm going to 232.5 and 230 down to 232.5 and all in all that. 232.5 and 232.5 and a half. Last call at 232.5 about it. So 230,000, 176 the buyer. 100. You betcha. Full power fluids right there. I'm going to be at 510. I'm going to get down 510. Get 510, 15, down, ever get down 10, down, ever get down 15, now 20, down, ever get down 20, down, ever get down 15, down, ever get down 20, and now 5, 5, 5, 5, 30, now 30, down, ever get down 20, 5, 30, down, and 5, 5, 5.